One thing I do in my wood shop is a lot of sanding, and I go through a lot of sandpaper, so I'm always looking for different types, good quality stuff that's going to last. And I've done quite a few reviews and used a lot of this brand sandpaper and been extremely happy with it. Now, these guys are nice enough to actually send these ones out to me. It's a new one. I mean, I've done plenty of 5-inch discs, and I've done plenty of padded ones, but not 5-inch and padded. So that's what this is. This is a set of 5-inch hook and loop, Velcro, whatever you want to call it, disc for sanding. And it does come with a variety of grits here. So I see is an 80, that's a 400. We got a 600. So you got a variety of grits in here, 240. So it's a nice little starter pack to find out what one you like, what grit, depending on what you're trying to do. But also you can work up to those grits and progressively get a nice polished piece. But what I want to know is, how does the Velcro or the hook and loop part hold up on my sander here, and how does it sand? So this is, well, I can see it grabs good, so that's good. This is 80 grit, and I'm just going to do a little sanding on this burl here and just see how it holds up right in this area here where you can see. Actually sands very nice. And one thing about what I like about the pad is it can kind of form to the contour better than just a flat pad on a solid surface. So if you're sanding with just a, boy, that does really stick good, so that's good. You can see that. So that tells you something right there. I'm very happy with the hook and loop part of it. But with this pad, it actually forms to it a little bit better. If you just put sandpaper without a pad on, which there are plenty of uses for that, on something curved like this, it could generate flat spots. So I do like the pads for that purpose, for sure. But I think I'm going to like those a lot. Now, as I already stated, these guys were nice enough to send these out to me and do this review. Definitely another good sandpaper to add to the wood shop here. I want to thank these guys for sending them out, and I really appreciate that. They're definitely going to come into use, and I'll probably be purchasing more of these as well. I really hope this short video helps you out, and you can determine whether or not these are right for you. But the Velcro sticks good, they seem to sand good, and having that pad on the backing really is a plus too, depending on what you're doing. So there you go. Hope the video helps you out.